Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send money from Etisalat in 2026. So if you want to transfer the balance or the credit to another Etisalat number, this is the simplest way of doing it. So Etisalat basically allows you to transfer the mobile balance directly from your SIM card. This feature is often called credit transfer or balance transfer. For that, you just have to simply open your phone's dial pad. Over here, you need to simply dial the balance transfer code. In most of the cases, this is done by dialing *100# or the credit transfer option available in your region. So from the menu that appears, you just have to simply select the option of balance transfer or credit transfer. Afterwards, enter your recipient's phone number and make sure that the number is correct and active. Afterwards, simply enter the amount that you want to send. Then follow the minimum and the maximum limit shown on the screen. Now you need to simply confirm your transaction. You may receive a confirmation message asking you to approve the transaction. Once you confirm it, your balance will be instantly deducted from your account and credited to the recipient. So you can also do it by using your Etisalat UAE application. For that, when you open your application and log into your account, you just have to go to the option of services. Now in the services, you just have to select the credit transfer, then simply again enter the number, choose the amount and confirm it. Now the important thing that you need to understand here is that balance transfer usually works only between the Etisalat numbers. The small service charges may also apply depending on your plan. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.